back of the field, and as you can see the water's holding here, which I'm going to show you in a little while. So it's flooding the gardens all along the row here. This is Sunday the 11th of February 2007. This is the grass, and I'm about to walk on it. It is absolutely like a river, and it's flowing down towards the back of the house and is flowing like a river. This is since they took the land drain out that we've got this problem now. It's really badly flooded, and it's just not my property, it's Mr. Moss's and next door to me. This is the end of the patio leading onto the garden, and as you can see, full of water. Quite fast flowing, pouring off the field. Back of the field, the back of the fence, where all the water's coming from. As you can see, there's big pools of water here. It seems to be flowing from that corner post in the far end and splitting between me and Mr. Moss and Ham, and then coming down to the garden. The fence has actually collapsed and is leaning towards next door neighbours. Standing water. It's getting quite deep. As you can see, fast flowing. It's pouring off. Pools of water everywhere.